Welcome back to the channel, OJ3 Cars and Tools. We got the STP ratchet screwdriver socket set. Come with 25 pieces. Come with an extension, carrying case. This is what you can take your battery apart. Little small jobs. Batteries out, some closed spots. This is like a ratchet. Come with an extension. In case you need to a little bit long reach. It's a nice little kit to keep in your car. Easy to transfer from car to car in case you don't want to get rid of your good tools. The carrying case comes with a latch that locks everything in. Got this bad baby. Sizes of the sockets, screwdriver bits, extension, carrying case. $7.99. Can't go wrong. That's the STP ratchet screwdriver socket set. Well, socket bit set. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next review. Have a good holiday. Hope everything work out for you. OJ3 Cars and Tools. Have a good one.